Hello student, now I discuss how to draw circle, how to fill a circle with different filling algorithms with different colors, and how to make screensaver using simple C program using library function. Let's start. This program can draw a circle. Very simple as it looks, it is very simple. Before discuss how to draw circle, I like to output first. So run the program. Okay, it builds a circle. Now I discuss how I draw the circle. At very beginning, two header files are there. Now question, why we use these header files and why? Conio.h, that means console input output header file is used, being I used two functions. One is CLRSCR and another is getCH. For these two functions, conio.h header file is needed. Now, I discuss graphics.h. Why it is used? Here I call a function initGraph. Being I use initGraph, so this header file is needed. Graphics.h is needed. Now, what is the function of initGraph? InitGraph stands for initialization graph. That means the output in this program needs graphics output window. C provides two kind of output window. One is text output window, another is graphics output window. Being graphics components needs high resolution output window, so graphics output window is essential. Initgraph calls the graphics window output window. Initgraph needs three parameters. One is graphics mode, another is graphics driver, and another is path of BGI folder. BGI stand for Borland Graphics Interface. And the graphics driver GD, here I mention detect. Detect is used. The whole responsibility depends upon our system. System finds the proper graphics driver which meets it calls the graphics driver. No need to mention user. So whole responsibility on system. Now I discuss the function circle. This circle function, it is a library function. This function can draw a circle. This function needs three parameters. First two integers represents the center of the circle, and the third parameter represents the radius of the circle. When we ask to draw a circle, it needs the center of the circle and the radius of the circle. So first two parameters indicates the center and the third parameter indicates the radius. Now I wish to just show the output once again. Okay, I draw the circle. If we wish to draw another circle with different radius, then what we have to do? Now I draw another circle. Just I change the radius. These two circles are concentric. That means the center of those two circles are same. Only radius are different. So circles are drawn, two concentric circles. Okay. If we wish to draw another circle with in different position, we have to change the center. Now I draw another circle in another position. Okay. Third circle is drawn and its center is different than previous two circle. Okay. So simply this program draw a circle, and we already know how we draw a circle. Next program. This program draws several circles. Circles are concentric, and it seems they appear in different time and animation like. That's mean as it is screensaver like output will be appear. Before discussing the program, I like to find the output. Okay, we already show the output. Now I discuss how it works. As mentioned early program, it does not need to mention here. I only discuss this part, and this part draw this output. Here a while loop is there with a kb hit function. This kb hit function followed with not sign. Now what is the function of kb hit? Kb hit stands for keyboard hit. That's mean while not kb hit, it indicates the while loop works until we press any key of our keyboard. When we press any key, then the while loop terminates. Now, this for loop. I discussed this for loop. As per this loop works 15 times, being I start from 1 and less than 16, so this loop works 15 times. First, it set color I. Set color, it fix the 4 color. That means the graphics, the color by which the graphics components will be drawn. Okay. I is integer, set color, parameter is I, it determines the color code. In C program, there are 15 colors and the colors are of type enum. That means string constant identified by integer. Circle, as discussed earlier, this line draw circle with center 300 to 50 and the radius will changed each iteration by the for loop, and each time the radius will increased by 13. After draw the circle, it delays 200 millisecond. Delay function can wait the program execution. Okay. So this for loop draw 15 circles, concentric circles with different color, and each circle is generated after 200 milliseconds and it looks like animation. After drawing 15 circle, control reaches here, set color 0, it means for color again change to black. 0 stand for black. This for loop executes 15 times. Being I started from 15 and greater than 0, so this loop executes 15 times. This circle draw with center 30, 300 to 50, and each time radius is decreased by 13 unit, being I is decreased here. Each iteration I is decreased. So the circles drawn by this for loop are vanished each iteration by this for loop, being each circle is drawn black color of another circle. So and the back color is black, so the newly drawn circle vanish the earlier circle. In this way, it seems the circles appear one by one and vanish one after one. And by the way, the result yields the animation. Okay. Now I like to run the program once more. Now I introduce the next program. Program title is Circle with different filling pattern. Before discuss this program, we want to see the output. So I run the program. Okay, this is our output. Now I discuss how the program executes. This part is already discussed. Main code block is from this location to this location. The selected part is the main code block of this program. Now I discuss this line. X is equal to get max x function divided by 2. What is the function of get max x? This function returns the maximum x coordinate of output graphics output window resolution. The maximum graphics output x coordinate, and it is divided by 2. Similarly, y returns, this function returns the maximum y resolution of graphics output window. So x and y are determined, and x and y indicates the middle position of our graphics output window. Set color white. Set BK color white. BK color indicates background color. That means the output window appear with white color. Set color blue. This line indicates the graphical component will be drawn in blue color. Now, this for loop, and this is body of the for loop. Mean for each started from I to 8. So this code block executes 8 times. First time, set fill style. This function set different filling style. See, TurboC provides different filling style, namely these fill patterns provided by the TurboC, and this fill patterns is of enum type. Enum type means string constant identified by integer. Okay. So this function set fill style function, it needs to pass two parameters. The first parameter stand for fill pattern, and the second parameter sets the pattern color, fill color. After setting this, delay 20, that means it waits 20 milliseconds. Circle functions, as mentioned earlier, it draws circle. All circles are concentric, all circles having their same center, but each time the radius will be increased by 20, being I is increased by 1, and each time I is multiplied by 20, so the radius each iteration radius of the circle incremented by 20. Flood fill. The circle, entire circle is filled by the filling pattern, and the border color will be blue. Flood fill, the region filled by the fill pattern as determined by this function, and pattern color is also determined by this function, and the border color is determined by blue. Border color will be blue. So this function generates 8 concentric circles. Each circle's radius is increased by 20. Each time their filling pattern is change and filling color is change, but their radius, their perimeter will be of blue color. Now I run the program once again. Just follow my description. Okay. Next, the last program of this tutorial. It is also another kind of screensaver. The title is screensaver that displays random circles. That means this program generates different circle in different position with different radius. That means circles will be drawn in random position with random size. As early before discuss the program, we have to see the output. So I run the program. Let's see. Circles are drawn in different positions. Their diameter, their radius is different, position is different, filling algo is different, filling color is different, and acts like a screensaver. So the program title is screensaver and displays circles. Okay. Now I back to program window. Okay. Whole code block from this location to this location is already described. Now I have to describe this part only. This part generates the random circles with random radius in random position in random color in different filling algorithm. Now I mention how it works. As mentioned earlier, while loop is there with not kb hit function, that means the while will execute until we press any key. This function, circle function, draws circle, but interesting matter is that here x and y, that means center, not in a static type, that is center x coordinate and y coordinates are determined using random function. Now what is the function of random? How random function works? Random function determines a value between 0 and x. That means the x is argument. Random function generates the number between 0 to argument minus 1. That means x minus 1. So x coordinate is determined randomly and y coordinate is also determined randomly. So the position of the circle will be different. Here, this part determine the radius. 5 plus random 25. That means this function generates the value between 0 to 24 and 5 is fixed. If this random function generates 0, then the radius will be 5. That means in no case circle should not be of 0 radius. That means the minimum circle will be of radius 5. Correct? Maybe. And the maximum circle of radius 5 plus 24, that means 29 units, being this function generates maximum value 24. Set fill style. Fill style is also randomly chosen. Fill color is also randomly chosen. Flood fill. Its flood fill coordinate will be the circle's coordinate as determined by the circle. So flood fill, the region of the flood fill as the circle's center and get max color, and the perimeter border will be the maximum color, that means white. Each iteration it waits 250 milliseconds. This line seems us the animation is flat there in our output animation take place. Okay, now we show the output once more. Just match my description with output. Look carefully. Okay, now we close this tutorial.